Today, we're diving into something mind-blowing: quantum computers. You might have heard of them, but do you know how they could totally change the way we think about cybersecurity? In fact, they could make your passwords and bank info, well, pretty much everything we use to protect our data, vulnerable. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's break this down. First up, what is a quantum computer? Imagine a regular computer like a super-fast calculator. It uses bits, which are like tiny switches that can be either on 1 or off 0. But a quantum computer is a whole different animal. It uses something called qubits, and qubits are crazy. See, instead of just being on or off, qubits can be in both states at the same time, thanks to the magical world of quantum mechanics. It's like flipping a coin, but the coin is both heads and tails until you check it. This allows quantum computers to do tons of calculations at once, making them way faster than anything we have today. So what's the big deal? Right now, most of our online security is based on really tough math problems. Think of it like a lock and key. For example, we use something called RSA encryption. This lock is tough to crack because it relies on the fact that it's really hard to break big numbers down into smaller ones. Computers take a long time to do it, so it's safe for us. But guess what? Quantum computers can crack those locks in seconds. They can break these big numbers down way faster than any regular computer. So all those passwords you have, your bank details, your private chats, your crypto wallets, well, they might not be safe anymore if quantum computers get too powerful. Let's talk about some real-world risks. Data interception. Imagine someone could listen in on your private conversations or steal your banking details because they cracked the encryption. Sounds scary, right? Cryptocurrency. If you're into Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, quantum computers could be a game changer. They could potentially hack into wallets and take your coins with ease. National security. Countries use encryption to protect their secrets. If quantum computers can break that, it could pose serious risks to global security. Governments are already worried about this. Okay, it's not all doom and gloom. People are already working on solutions. Quantum encryption. We're developing new ways to keep things safe using quantum encryption. The idea here is that quantum mechanics makes it impossible to secretly copy data. So if someone tries to hack into your messages, it'll be instantly detected. Post-quantum cryptography. This is a fancy way of saying, let's create encryption that even quantum computers can't break. Scientists are working on new algorithms that are quantum-proof. Government action. Countries and companies are already thinking ahead. They're investing millions to make sure we can protect our data in a quantum future. Let me hit you with a couple of mind-blowing facts to really show how close we are to this quantum age. China is spending billions on quantum tech. They plan to have a quantum computer with 1 million qubits by 2025. That's huge. IBM is already working on their own quantum computer. They say that in the next 10-20 years, quantum computers could be solving real-world problems like that. And when they do, everything from online shopping to healthcare could change in an instant. So there you have it. Quantum computers are a huge breakthrough in tech, but with great power comes great responsibility and potential risks. Yes, they could make our current security systems outdated, but the good news is we're already working on new ways to stay safe. The future of computing is super exciting, but we need to stay ahead of the game to make sure we don't get caught off guard.